guys, welcome back to the channel. Into this video I'm going to show you in full details how to dilute 95% isopropyl alcohol to 70% isopropyl alcohol. Okay, it's going to be a full manufacturing session. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe, smash that like button for me. Also consider to drop us a comment below. Okay, before moving further on, I would like to introduce you the book that I've recently published. Okay, it's a very powerful tool. You can consider getting the book. For you to get the book, there's a link into the description box. Okay, you can just click on it and then access the book. We've made it accessible and affordable for everyone. What is the book made of? The book contains 10 economical formulations of the most used detergent and household cleaning products. It contains other 20 standard formulations. It contains necessary details that you need for a successful manufacturing process, and it also contains the grease making process as a bonus. Okay, consider getting the book. As I said, for you to get the book, there's a link into the description box. You can just click on it and then access the book. That's it. Let's get back to our main topic. Okay, as I said earlier on, I'm going to show you how to dilute 95% isopropyl alcohol, okay, to 70% isopropyl alcohol. Why 95% isopropyl alcohol? Simply because this is the concentration that we get from the supplier. Okay, it can come as 95, as 96, or sometimes 99. Okay, but the one that I have here is actually 95, of which I'm going to dilute to 70% isopropyl alcohol. And why 70% isopropyl alcohol? Simply because it's a very good germ and bacteria killer. Okay, it kills germs within 1 minute. Okay, and this has been used even in hand sanitizer. Okay, so you wonder how are they getting 70% isopropyl alcohol? Simply by diluting a concentrated alcohol, and it's what I'm actually going to show you into this video. Make sure that you remain tuned till the end so that you can master this. That's it. So how is this video going to be structured? At the first place, I'm going to give out the dilution formula, okay, of which I'm going to explain and give the legend. Then from there we'll get to the calculations. Here we go. Let's look at the dilution formula. Okay, VI times CI is equal to VF times CF. I'm going to explain this symbol. I'm going to give out the legend. But here the main thing is to make VI the subject of the formula, which is the initial volume. VI will be equal to VF times CF over CI. Let's consider making 1 liter of 70% isopropyl alcohol from 95% isopropyl alcohol. Before we get to calculation, let's give the legend first. VI stands for initial volume. Okay, simply the initial volume of the 95% isopropyl alcohol. CI stands for initial concentration. In this case, the initial concentration of our concentrated alcohol is 95%. VF stands for final volume. We are making 1 liter, okay, during this manufacturing session. So our final volume is 1 liter. CF stands for final concentration, the concentration that you wish to obtain. Into this case, it's 70%. Let's get to calculation, okay? Remember that VI is equal to VF times CF over CI, and we also gave the legend. So let us find VI. It will be equal to 1 liter, which is our final volume, times 70%, which is our final concentration, over 95%, which is our initial concentration. Do the calculation on your side. How much are you getting? On our side, we're getting 0.737 liter. You can convert this into milliliters. You get 737 milliliters. This is the initial volume of 95% isopropyl alcohol that we need to use, okay, to mix with a certain amount of water. Then we can get 1 liter of 70% isopropyl alcohol. But how much water are we going to use? In this case, we need to find out the volume of water. Volume of water will simply be equal to final volume minus initial volume. Okay, we can come up with a formula here. V water, which means volume of water, will be equal to Vf, which is final volume, minus Vi, which is the initial volume. Final volume is 1 liter. Initial volume is 0.737 liter. Do the calculation. On my side, I'm getting 0.263 liter, which is equal to 263 mils. In conclusion, for you to make 1 liter of 70% isopropyl alcohol from 95% isopropyl alcohol, we mix 737 mils of 95% isopropyl alcohol to 263 mils of water. Let's do the mixing. Let's do the mixing, okay? This is my isopropyl alcohol, 95%. I'm going to use it to make 1 liter of 70% isopropyl alcohol, okay? Remember that I've demonstrated everything. You actually need to mix 737 ml of 95% isopropyl alcohol to 263 ml of water. Then you can get your 1 liter of 70% isopropyl alcohol. So the first thing to do is to measure an amount of 737 ml of 95% isopropyl alcohol. Is what I'm doing now. That's it. Wear your gloves and glasses, okay, just to protect yourself. Then you need 263 ml of water. That's what I'm measuring now. Okay. Do your mixing properly. If you've got a mixer, you can also use it. Just need a few time, it will come clear. It's coming clear, okay? Doing this, then you can use your 70% isopropyl alcohol for whatever application you want to use it for. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Remember that there is a lot to learn from here, okay? And I want you to be part of the learning journey. As I said earlier on, for you to get the book, there's a link into the description. You can just click on it and then access the book. Some people say they cannot find the link, okay? I think you cannot locate where is the description box. You see the video. Under the video, there's the title of the video. Then under that, there is a description where we actually explain what is the video made of. You see a statement, get the book, then there's a link. You just click on that link, then you can access the book. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next video.